Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to enable mobile hotspot on this computer. So to enable hotspot, click these two icons on your status bar and make sure that you are connected to the internet either using Wi-Fi or using Ethernet cable. Then click right here to go to the next page, and then click the mobile hotspot in order to enable your hotspot. If you right click this icon and select go to settings, you will see the settings of your mobile hotspot, where you can also enable or disable it by switching this toggle. You can decide which way you want to share your internet. In this case, only Wi-Fi option is available, so you can only share your internet using Wi-Fi. You can enable or disable power saving mode in here. The power saving basically means that power saving on means that after a significant amount of time of all the devices being disconnected from your hotspot, the hotspot will automatically turn off. And if you disable this option, your hotspot will be working forever until you disable it manually. Now in properties, you can edit the name, password and the band of the hotspot by clicking edit and providing the new network name, the new network password, and selecting the network band that you want for your hotspot. Then click save to save the changes. And at the very bottom of the list, you can also check the list of of connected devices, and you can also scan the QR code in here to quickly connect to this network using any other device that you have. And that's basically it. Now to disable it, you can once again go into Control Center, click this icon right here, and this way disable your mobile hotspot. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.